girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I D.I.E. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, send action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I D.I.E.
One of them ones.
Western Road flows, I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let us hit on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah. But here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feeling's faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday, you forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's, boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand 35 and under. That's when I'm planning retirement, it's already funded. Yeah. I brought your wifey out the same morning. She violated, I sent her back where it all started. How quick they ought to forget about their bachelor apartment. Leave it like you could show them light in the darkness. Told my mama that I found a lady in the east. Cancun when I got signed, they upgraded the suite. Don Julio in the freezer that they gave us for free. I get you all you can eat, just have some patience with me. You wouldn't tell me you love me, started seeing Monique. Last time I heard from Monique, T-Minus was making beats. I used to hit the corner store to get Tahiti treat. Now they talk at the corner store as I'm TBE. The best ever, don't ever question, you know better. Ain't always how it seems when it's so together. Yeah. I let that last line breathe and take a second to get it. Western road flows, my confidence level getting settled. Don't get hyped for the moment, then start to backpedal. Don't let your newfound fame fool you, cloud up your judgment to talk loosely. I really do this, been flowing stupid since Vince Carter was on some Buddha legs, arm in a hooch. Drinking hypnotic with Glenn Lewis, I've been through it. Y'all was so afraid to lay claim to it. Too busy face screwing on waist movements. You was riding TTC Metro, I had the place booming. First take Drake, you know I rarely have to take to it. And they still take to it. Big Apple had the white Hummer parked right in front of Fluid. And we be walking in that minute like we already knew it. But money can't buy happiness, jelly talking truthful. But I'm happiest when I can buy what I want, get how I want. Yeah, that's right.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Dorsanee hair, and I've worked with them in the past. I just worked with them very recently actually, and I had to work with them again, you guys. I really do like the quality of their hair, but I wanted to try something and get you guys ready for the fall season because fall is literally right around the corner, believe it or not. You guys definitely need to get ready for the fall, and what better way than a copper ginger unit, you guys. This is such a gorgeous color. I haven't tried this color in such a long time. You guys know I've been doing a lot of curly hair reviews, but I wanted to do something that was more appropriate for the upcoming season, so I decided to try out this gorgeous ginger unit, you guys, and it's just such a rich and beautiful color. I feel like Brave, you know, from that like Disney movie. It's definitely giving Brave vibes. It's just so beautiful, and I also love the texture for this hair. That was another really huge selling point for me, and this is the natural state of the hair, you guys. This is without product or anything that would manipulate the hair in any kind of way. This is just a natural state of the hair. The only portion of my hair that I put product on was of course my baby hairs, and then just like this top half, like so it can be nice and sleek into the ponytail. But other than that, the rest of the hair is left in its natural state. And as far as customizing goes with this unit, I didn't really do too much customizing actually. The only thing that I did with this unit was just wash it and let it air dry. I didn't pluck the unit. I didn't like do anything crazy. I did tint the lace with the Ebb and Lace tint spray, and I did that on camera with you guys, so you guys saw me doing that. But other than that, there was no customizing that was done with this unit, and I love that about it. So if you're someone who is a beginner, this unit is great for you. And also if you're somebody who just wants to try a new color out, this is just such a gorgeous color, and I love it because it's universal and it just works for everyone. And the other great thing about this unit is that it is such a great fit. So a lot of units that I've been receiving lately, I'm gonna be honest, they haven't had the best fit. You know, a lot of units have been fitting very large on me, especially like the glueless units. I've been noticing like the glueless units, they just don't fit on me properly. Some units do, and then a lot of the other ones, they just don't, especially in the back portion. But this one, like the fit is so perfect. It does come with the adjustable elastic band in the inside as well, and it has the adjustable straps in the back. It also comes with several different combs inside. So this unit just has all the security that you're going to need when you're wearing this unit, because I cannot stand when I have a unit on and I just feel like one wrong move and this unit is just gonna fall to the floor, okay? And I want to be so embarrassed Like, girl, like if the wind blow, my wig might blow with it too. Like, girl, we don't need that. So I love, love, love the fit of this unit. And this is a 26-inch unit, you guys. So even though it may look a little bit shorter than that, it's actually a lot longer than that. And it's really just because it's like curly. So I will stand up in just a moment to show you guys where this unit is hitting on me. But for reference, I am 5'2". Oh yeah, girl, we got us another banger from Dorsanee Hair. They just always come through, and I'm really liking them. They're really like on my radar. I'm like, okay, I'm rocking with y'all. I love the packaging for them, and I like the fact that they have like that beautiful orange box. It just reminds me of Hermes, so I like that. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you guys watching today's tutorial. If there was something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Yeah, shout out to Dorsanee Hair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.